Remember Wheelie K? That lovable rascal who rode through Asda with the next generation of Broadmoor inmates, doing his bit to raise awareness on there not being enough bike parks in his local area, as well as making a good argument for why the legal limit on abortion should be raised from 6 months to 15 years. At the time, I accused Sussex Police and their local authority of not doing enough to prevent this type of criminal behaviour, which had been going on his channel for a few years. But subsequently I discovered that him and most of his mates were actually based in London, so it was the Metropolitan Police that had been looking the other way this whole time. There's a surprise. But undeterred by matters of jurisdiction, I seriously underestimated Sussex Police's dramatic and dynamic response. Coming down hard on crime and the causes of crime, they took the unprecedented and, dare I say, heroic step at rounding up this posse of antisocial fugitives by leaving a comment on his YouTube channel asking him if they wouldn't mind turning themselves in. Politely, of course, just in case his mum and dad read it. Not that it's likely they'd know each other. Hello? Yes. We are investigating the video of your visit to Brighton in June. A number of people brought your video to our attention because of the dangerous and antisocial behaviour of the group you were part of and filmed. We would like to speak to you about the assault on the person in Asda, the criminal damage, theft and intimidating behaviour created in Asda, and the abuse directed at people your group encountered. This is in addition to a number of traffic offences putting yourselves and other road users at risk, weaving through traffic and cycling at drivers. We think it would be better for all concerned for you to call us on 101 or make your way to your nearest police station, quoting serial 924 of 23/06. Well, fuck me with a pointy stick. What an innovative and novel approach to catching criminals. I don't know why law enforcement hasn't caught onto it sooner. All this time they've had their noses to the dirt, sifting through clues, following up leads and chasing down... What am I talking about? They don't do any of that. But whatever little it is they do, they can't be arsed with either. So now they have to mitigate the risks of leaving the comforting warmth of the police station and run the risks of having the wind blown in their face or getting the bottom of their shoes dirty. So why not ask the criminals if they wouldn't mind handing themselves in for a change? I mean, it could work. You know, a lot like trying to defuse an unexploded bomb by pissing on it. But then I can't think of a more auspicious and discerning place to leave such an earnest message than YouTube's comment section, except maybe for a pub toilet wall. It's not as if Wheelie and Co can ignore such a message. What, and run the risk of lowering their standard on Social Blade by a millionth of a percentile? No. Sussex Police know where the ute be at. Hit them where it hurts in their social network knackers. Who knows, by showing such ingenuity, the sender of that message could be Chief Constable in a few years. That's if he isn't snapped up by Billy Smart Circus as a pair of fucking clown shoes. Still, I owe them my personal thanks for killing two birds with one virtual stone. I never struggle for hilarious and entertaining content from the circle jerk of stupid we know and love as our beloved police force. But still, it's looking like my threat of having to bring a private prosecution against Wheelie K and Co and do the lazy bastard police's job for them is all the more likely.